morning, everyone. This is Akshaya of grade 9 Laurel High, and today I'm going to be talking about an entrepreneur. Now, when I talk about an entrepreneur, what's the first word which comes into your mind? Is it suits, ties, a big office, or some sort of a CEO? See, I'll tell you what an entrepreneur is. An entrepreneur is someone who starts up a business at the risk of finance. Now, you see, have you ever seen a vegetable vendor outside your house, or even the owner of a supermarket? They're all entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur doesn't have to be somebody who's a big CEO or something. An entrepreneur can even be a vegetable vendor or a grocery store owner. Now, what's entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is nothing but the process of becoming an entrepreneur. Now, the courses to become an entrepreneur, after your graduation, you can take BBA, which is Bachelor's of Business Management, and then for higher studies, you can go to MBA, which is Master's in Business Administration. In MBA, the top courses which you could take is HR Marketing, Finance, Marketing, and Information Technology. In HR Marketing, the emerging economic communication skills, social skills, and even confidence is developed. And in Finance, the budgeting, the costing. In a company, if you have taken finance, you would go into the finance department of the company. The best colleges in India for MBA would be IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Kolkata, FMS Delhi, and more. In the best colleges in the world would be Stanford Graduate School of Business, Penn in Wharton, Philadelphia, USA, MIT, Sloan, which is in Cambridge, USA, Harvard Business School, Boston, which is in USA. And then when I talk, and apart from all of this, which I've said, the qualities are very important for an entrepreneur. You need to have creativity, market analysis, self-confidence, passion, determination, leadership, and adaptability. Creativity is, but you need to have the creativity to have a new product. You have to have the confidence in your product in order to make everybody else have confidence in it. You need to have leadership in order to be a good entrepreneur. These are the references from which I've taken the information I've got. Thank you.